Quit sneaking around!
Don't with me!
Holy poop on a stick!
This is madness! Madness. This is Sparta! 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 This is madness!
Oh, who cares, Al? I'm just so glad to see you!
Scram!
Yes, no, maybe. I don't know. Can you repeat the question? You're not the boss of me now. You're not the boss of me now. You're not the boss of me now, and you're not so big. You're not the boss of me now. You're not the boss of me now. You're not the boss of me now, and you're not so big.
The first thing at Christmas that's such a pain to me is finding a Christmas tree. The second thing at Christmas that's such a pain to me,
Rigging up the lights!
and finding a Christmas tree. The third thing at Christmas that's such a pain to me,
Hangovers?
Rigging up the lights!
and finding a Christmas tree. The fourth thing at Christmas that's such a pain to me,
Sending Christmas cards.
Hangovers?
Rigging up the lights!
and finding a Christmas tree. The fifth thing at Christmas that's such a pain to me, 5 months of bills,
Sending Christmas cards.
Hangovers?
Rigging up the lights!
and finding a Christmas tree. The sixth thing at Christmas that's such a pain to me,
Facing my in-laws.
5 months of bills,
Oh, I hate those Christmas cards.
Hangovers?
Rigging up these lights!
and finding a Christmas tree. The seventh thing at Christmas that's such a pain to me,
The Salvation Army.
Facing my in-laws.
5 months of bills,
Sending Christmas cards.
Oh, jeez.
I'm trying to rig up these lights!
and finding a Christmas tree. The eighth thing at Christmas that's such a pain to me,
I want Red Farmer for Christmas!
Charities? And what do you mean, your in-laws?
5 months of bills,
Ah, making out these cards.
Oh, you just get me up here, huh?
Well, we have no extension
and
cords!
finding a Christmas tree. The ninth thing at Christmas that's such a pain to me,
Finding parking spaces!
Daddy, I want some candy!
Donations!
Facing my in-laws.
5 months of bills,
Writing out those Christmas cards.
Hangovers?
Now why the hell are they blinking?
and finding a Christmas tree. The 10th thing at Christmas that's such a pain to me,
Batteries not included.
No parking spaces!
Buy me something!
Get a job, you bum!
Facing the in-laws.
5 months of bills,
Yo ho, sending Christmas cards.
Oh, jeez, look at this.
One light goes out, they all go out!
and finding a Christmas tree. The 11th thing at Christmas that's such a pain to me,
Stale TV special.
Batteries not included.
No parking spaces!
Mama, I gotta go to the bathroom!
Charities!
She's a witch, I hate her.
5 months of bills,
Oh, I don't even know half these people.
Who's got the toilet paper,
Get a
huh?
flashlight, I blew a fuse!
and finding a Christmas tree. The 12th thing at Christmas that's such a pain to me,
Singing Christmas carols!
Stale TV special.
Batteries not included.
No parking!
Shut up, you.
Fine, you're so smart, you ring up the lights.
And finding a Christmas tree.
Okay.
I am really special cause there's only one of me. Look at my smile, I'm so damn happy other people are jealous of me. When I'm sad and lonely, I like to sing this song. It cheers me up and shows me that I won't be sad for long. Oh, I'm so happy, I can barely breathe. Puppy dogs and sugar frogs and kittens, baby teeth. Watch out all you mothers, I'm happy, it's hardcore. Happy as a coupon for a $20 whore. I'm really happy, I'm sugar-coated me. Happy, good, anger, bad, that's my philosophy. I can't do this, man, I'm not happy. I am really special cause there's only one of me. Look at my smile, I'm so damn happy that people are jealous of me. These are my love handles and this is my spout. But if you tip me over then mama said knock you out. I'm special, I am happy, I'm gonna heave. Welcome to my happy world, now get your shit